Hi boys and girls, welcome back to History Lane. Here we meet some of our history's heroes through using our creative hands. Today we meet Sara Immeinu, Sara our mother, who is the first of our Imahos matriarchs. She was known for her fulfillment of the 3 mitzvos of a Jewish woman, which includes lighting Shabbat candles. In honor of that, we are making an Origami Shabbat Candle Kit. Here are the supplies we will need: 2 metallic origami papers, the printed Shabbat Shalom template, 2 tea lights, a ruler, scissors, glittery gel pens, a pencil, a glue stick, and 2 round metallic stickers. Let's begin. Choose which metallic sheet you want for the cover of the box. Step 1, fold down one corner to meet the opposite edge of the paper so that it forms a perfect triangle as shown. Step 2, draw a line along the edge of the triangle where it meets white space. Step 3, cut along the line creating a square. Step 4, fold the square in half, then open it and fold it in half again, but from the other direction. Dates and years are good knowledge to have. Did you know that Sara Immeinu lived from 1958 to 2084? On the secular calendar, that is 1803 to 1677 BCE. Step 5, fold each corner so that the tip meets the center. Have you ever done origami before? In case you haven't, bear in mind that every fold we do needs to be exact and also creased very well in order for it to work properly. Step 6, fold the right side to meet the center. Then do the same with the left side. Unfold both of them. Step 7, do the same with the top and bottom sides. Fold each of them to meet the center and then unfold. Step 8, open one of the triangles. Following the creases you've already made, gently fold the sides inward. Then fold down the top of the triangle, forming the first 3 walls of the box cover. Step 9, to complete the 4th wall, open the last remaining triangle and again fold the creases to gently fold the sides inward. Fold down the top of the triangle to finish off the last wall. Step 10, place a sticker or piece of tape in the middle of the bottom so that it holds together. And now for the box itself. Repeat steps 1 and 2 with the second metallic paper. Here's an interesting fact. Sara was one of the 7 prophetesses in the Torah and also called by the name Yiska. It comes from the word in Hebrew meaning to see, because she saw with Ruach HaKodesh, divine inspiration. At a corner of the sheet, use a ruler to measure and mark 1/4 of an inch from the 2 edges that meet at that corner. Draw a line that is 1/4 of an inch from the edge of the page on each of these 2 sides. Ever heard of someone having a baby at the age of 90? Well, that was Sara. After being childless for many years, she finally had her own child, Yitzchak, who is the continuation of the Jewish nation. Cut off the pieces according to where you measured, creating a slightly smaller square than the one you began with. Repeat steps 3 through 10 to form the second part of the box. Sara went through difficult times in her life, including being taken captive by Pharaoh first and then Avimelech. Despite the challenges she went through, the days of her life were equally good in the sense that she filled them all with serving Hashem completely. And that is why the Torah says this was the life of Sara, because her life wasn't about what she physically went through, but about her spiritual life. This included fulfilling the 3 mitzvos specifically connected to women: Shabbat candles, Challah, and Nida. Difficulties may come up in our lives, but rather than focusing on them, we can be like Sara and choose to focus on living life. And true life is Torah and Mitzvos. For example, if you feel unimportant because your family can't afford as many gadgets and new clothing as some of your friends, try to refocus. Remember that true life is not about the physical things we have, but the mitzvos we do. Here's another example. If you're not feeling well one day, that could be uncomfortable or hard. But the good news is that you get to decide what to focus on. While it is an option to focus on the discomfort, it is much more powerful to concentrate on what you can do for Hashem in this situation. Next, cut out one of the rectangles from the template and color it in with glittery gel pens. Our goal is to be more like Sara Immeinu, who filled all her days equally with the goodness of Torah and Mitzvos. Here's a challenge to get you one step closer to the goal. Are you ready? What is one additional mitzvah you can fill your day with? Check the Shabbat candle lighting time for the week when you plan to use the kit and write in the time. Stick the paper onto the box cover with a glue stick. What will you do with your kit once it's ready? Will you keep it for a special Shabbat when you're away from home? Or will you give it as a gift to someone who doesn't yet light Shabbat candles? Or perhaps a third idea. The choice is yours. Place 2 tea lights inside the box and close it up. And ta-da! Your handmade Shabbat candle kit is ready to go light up the world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you back again next week.